In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the protections that Kindle puts on their ebooks, or in other words, how to remove the DRM. If you don't already know, when you buy a book from the Kindle app or the Amazon store, what happens is the book is protected, so you can't edit it in any way or convert the file or view the file in any other application other than the Kindle app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove that protection. And we're going to be doing this by using a program called Calibre, and I'm not going to get into details about what Calibre can do. In the most general way to describe it, it is an ebook library manager, and there's a bunch of different things that you can do with it. If you don't already have Calibre, you can go ahead and head to the description and click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this website, and all you're going to have to do is download and install Calibre. Once you do that, we're going to be using two different plugins for Calibre, and I'll add links in the description for both of these. The first one is going to be called DeDRM tools, and basically once you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you to this website, and you're going to want to download this zip file right here. After you download that one, go ahead and head to the other link in the description, and it's going to take you to the KFX Input Plugin. And it's going to bring you to a form like this. All you have to do is scroll down, and on the very first post you should see a KFX input.zip file. Just go ahead and download that. So I already have all the files downloaded. I also have an ebook here. This is the Kindle ebook that I'm going to be using. It's the folder, and it comes directly from my Kindle content library. So these are my two plugins. For the DeDRM tools plugin, what you're going to have to do is extract that one. And for the KFX input, you're not going to need to extract that one. So once you have all those things, go ahead and open up Calibre, and we're going to need to install the plugins. But before we do that, I want to show you what I mean by not being able to do anything with the Kindle protected ebook. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the ebook or import it to the library, and as you can see, it doesn't give the title, author, and there's no details about this book, and I can't even view it. So what I'm going to do is remove that and show you how to fix that. So to install the plugins, what you're going to want to do is click on the Preferences button, scroll down to the bottom, and under Advanced you're going to want to click on Plugins, and you're going to want to click on Load Plugin from File. And once you do that, for the first DeDRM tools plugin, you're going to want to open up the folder that we extracted and click on DeDRM Calibre plugin, and then select the zip file that's inside of that folder. Once you do that, it's going to give you a warning saying installing plugins is a security risk or can be. Just go ahead and click yes to acknowledge this message, and then click OK. Next, you're going to want to do the same thing to install the KFX Input Plugin, except you're just going to select that zip file that we downloaded. It's going to give you the same security risk message. Go ahead and click yes, and then click OK. And then make sure you click Apply right here at the bottom right corner, and then click Close. And then in order for the plugins to take effect, we're going to have to restart the Calibre program. So now that the plugins are installed and we restarted Calibre, I'm going to go ahead and import that same book that I tried to import previously. So as you can see, I imported the same exact AZW file, and now it's giving me the information from the ebook, and basically the ebook is unlocked. So now I can convert it to whatever file type I want and put it on, different devices and applications versus just the Kindle app. If you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.